Okay.
Okay, we set that motor back down, rolled the chassis forward, and we're trying to find a position for the motor and the transmission. We have the transmission setting on its cross member, which isn't bolted to anything, but it does have a height designation at this point, which we can change. We can elevate that, or we can lower it. We can do anything we want to it. I think it's going to have to come up a little bit because I want to raise the front of the motor up. Pan is a little too close to the ground. This can probably, we may end up coming up about half the channel here. We'll see what happens. I can either build spacer under it or drop down something, drop a right angle down and then bolt to it. We'll figure out how that works, but right now it's located. To start with, I think what we're going to do is we're going to cut the firewall up to allow this to go up. We can do anything we want with the firewall. This is where the old gas pedal was, and that's going away. It's going back up to this hole, ultimately. We have to drill one more hole in the whole gas pedal assembly will bolt, just like it did down here. But we can go up here a couple inches. We'll see whatever clearance we need, and we can come up to here without the drive shaft interfering. This is keeping the integrity of this cross member for the rest of the frame. This we can change if we have to. We can saw it right off or burn it right off. It doesn't mean anything at this point. It's just vestigial. That's about it. I'd like to get the motor and the transmission up a little bit more into the frame and away from the ground so that we don't scrub with the oil pan especially. We need it at least as high as a pop can or more. And I'd like it probably as high as the bottom of the steering box, but we may or may not get that. But it is coming up. I think ultimately we're going to end up with these front motor mounts, and the water pumps are going to be flush with the top of the frame. I think that's how that's going to work out. We're going to have some kind of a right angle piece of angle iron here that's going to make this angle and come out flush with the frame, and then that's where our mounts are. And they want a big cushion too. Remember that big cushion? That cushion has to be above that also because of the diameter of the cushion. But it's coming. As we begin to raise it up and locate it, I want to put weight on the frame to see how the frame goes down with the weight on it. I want to see how much this actually pushes the frame down. It's not completely together. We still got the heads, the intake, the carburetors, the fan assembly, and then we got the radiator and grill, which all add probably another 200 pounds to what you see here on the front. But that's it for now. We're well along on this project. I expect this will be located probably for the end of tomorrow.